No, 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 no!
The DNA matches, the timing works, everything checks out. He is Gusto's son.
This can't just happen. The whole thing is a setup. The boy knows. Look at him out there, pretending to be an idiot. He's toying with my mind like a cat with a ball. Something.
String?
Yes, playing dumb, taunting me with that rat.
Rat?
Yes, he's consorting with it, deliberately trying to make me think it's important.
The rat.
Exactly.
Is the rat important?
Of course not. He just wants me to think that it is. Oh, I see the theatricality of it. A rat appears on the boy's first night. I ordered him to kill it, and now he wants me to see it everywhere. Ooh! Ooh, it's here. No, it's here. Am I saying things? Am I crazy? Is there a phantom rat or is there not? But oh, no. I refuse to be sucked into his little game of...
Should I be concerned about this? About you?